Welcome to our channel.
Will know about the key elements of digital marketing. Before going to the practical part, I want to explain some of the basic concept of digital marketing so that you can catch everything easily when we will move to our practical part. So in this session, we will know about overview of digital marketing, impact of digital marketing, how did internet marketing operate, some marketing methods, forms of digital marketing, lead generation, visitors interaction, generating targeted traffics. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers online marketing. It means online digital marketing is a form of marketing that utilizes digital technologies, primarily the internet, to promote products or services. It involves using various channels such as search engine optimization, social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, LinkedIn marketing, YouTube marketing, email marketing, websites, and mobile apps to reach the and engage with a target audience. So, online digital marketing includes such as search engine optimization, okay, Google advertising, social media marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing. Digital marketing has become increasingly important as more and more people rely on the internet to find information and make purchasing decisions. So this is the overview of digital marketing. On This is the impact of digital marketing, that it will increase reach through what? SMM, social media marketing. It will targeted the audience. It will increase the engagement for your product. It is cost effective. Progressive marketing. It will targeted the reach and you will get the result on time. We can do digital marketing through Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter on these platforms. How we will do this digital marketing? We can do blogging, we can do email marketing, we can create a flyer, we can create an article, we can do banner ads, we can do social media marketing, we can do affiliate marketing. So these are some internet marketing operate where we can do our marketing. There are two types of methods doing marketing, that is traditional marketing and digital marketing. What is traditional marketing? With one word we can say that traditional marketing is offline marketing and digital marketing is online marketing. Traditional marketing is such as print advertisement, television commercials, or radio ads. Huh, it's But digital marketing uh, is such as the internet, email, or mobile devices. Through the devices we do our marketing. It is become increasingly popular in recent years due to the because we all know that we all use laptop, mobile phone, we all use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, right? So online marketing or digital marketing is better than traditional marketing in this generation. If you want to target the people, if we want to target to reach our product to those people who are searching these products, or our business, we want to promote our business, then this digital marketing is the best platform to promote our business or products. But it is better than traditional marketing. So these are some difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. As I said, that traditional marketing is expensive and digital marketing is cost effective. On traditional marketing, it has limited audience and reach, but on digital marketing there are large number of audience you can reach and promote your business. Traditional marketing is non-versatile, but digital marketing you have variety of sources: Facebook, Insta, email, Google ads, paid marketing, many of source. And On traditional marketing you can't measure the result, but on digital marketing you can see the result. You can see how much people are coming, how much people are attracting for your product.
And this was our part 1 on the topic of key elements of digital marketing. To complete this session 1, you need to watch our part 2. Thanks for watching.